What you get: 4x base, activator, top and brush saver, 0.34 ounces, each bottle, 16x translucent jelly dip powder, 0.34 ounces, each jar. If you're someone who values their time and loves a long-lasting nail look, this dip powder kit will be right up your alley. Translucent jelly powder. 16 translucent nail powder create natural effect, perfect for the nail lover with different skins. It is a semi-transparent dipping powder. Different layers, different color effects. Jelly dip powder needn't to use UV or LED lights to harden the nail. When applied correctly, the dip powder manicure can last for 3 weeks. Faster drying. The powders are extra fine for perfect absorption into the base coat. It dry right away in 30 seconds after dipping and left with a smooth finish and zero bubbles, which more faster than regular dip powder. Easy to apply. Just a simple 3-step dipping system to finish a shiny nail manicure. Say goodbye to tedious manicure steps and easy enough for a starter to apply. Great choice. Suitable for hanging out with friends or professional application like work meeting, wedding event, party. 16 stunning colors for maximum creative possibilities. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Easy to use. I am a complete beginner when it comes to dip nails. This video is my second time ever applying a dip manicure from this set. My first attempt was okay. The second try was great. There is a learning curve, but once you figure out the technique it's pretty easy and quick.